It's a comparison video. What's up, baggage? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hi. My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you love all things 31 and what it stands for, consider yourself a bag babe. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, give this video a big like if you totally found it very useful, and welcome to this awesome community that we call the Bag Babes. Now, Bag Babe, if you're back for another video, yay! Here is one of your many highly requested videos of a comparison between our current ZOUT, as we call it in the 31 world, or our zip top utility organizing tote, versus our everyday essential tote, which is one of our newbies for the spring 2021 catalog. Ladies, you girls know in this channel, it is mainly to help you shop this beautiful, awesome catalog that I have here, launching for this spring and summer of 2021. If you want to know about all the fun things that are happening in this channel, wait till the very end of the comparison and I will totally fill you in. We are going to be comparing our all day, everyday, one of our tried and true ZOUTs, as I told you we call it, or the zip top organizing utility tote. So I will be calling it a ZOUT, okay? For the rest of this video. We've had this product for many years and it doesn't currently come in this color, but here are the current colors that it is currently available in. Again, we are in spring and summer, so we are talking about bright, bright, bright. And I will be comparing it to the Everyday Essentials tote, which is one of the hottest items that are flying off the shelf this spring, summer season. And the reason why I'm comparing these two is because the pockets are on the outside of this, where the pockets are on the inside of this. So they're calling this the reverse ZOUT, or the flip-flop ZOUT, or the inside-out ZOUT, okay? Now, when you look at it from the very far, the two, you can tell that the Everyday Essential tote is significantly larger than the ZOUT or the zip top. We'll just call it the zip top, but there are many key differences and similarities. So let's go ahead and dive right into it and take a look at it a little closer.
All right, ladies, just looking at it, you have your basic polyester canvas material with those thick canvas straps, the Everyday Essentials on the left, the ZOUTs on the right. Yes, you can personalize both. The Everyday Essential has a larger canvas and would go there, whereas the ZOUT has that limited space right in the middle. In the front side, we have two pockets on the ZOUT, and on the left side, you have a large pocket with a Velcro close, and yes, a zipper pouch can fit in there. Now, when we flip it around, the ZOUT has 3 additional pockets, 2 small ones and a large one in the middle, whereas the Everyday Essential just has a blank canvas. Now, when we look at from the top, both can be worn as open totes, whereas the ZOUT, you do have the additional option of zipping it up. You girls know we love our options. And there's enough gap and spacing at the very edges of the zipper that it gives the bag a lot of flexibility. When we look on the sides, there is a major difference. Again, all the pockets are on the outside. You have one mesh pocket on each side, whereas the Everyday Essential, it's a blank canvas, as you can see. Now, if you didn't know, there's this little hack. It's called the fold and file. This guy is sort of like an insert for the ZOUT. Many of you bag babes use this to give it the ZOUT very sturdy, put books in it, folders, and all that stuff. And you have 2 additional pockets on the inside. So it fits nicely in the ZOUT, as you can see, with some spacing on the sides. I also put it in the Everyday Essential on the left, and as you can see, there is so much room around the fold and file, especially with those pockets. And we'll take a closer look at those pockets later in the video. But there is the fold and file sitting nice and beautiful in the ZOUT, giving it structure with a hardened bottom. And yes, you can zipper it up and it will close nicely. So that is an added touch and a hack to the ZOUT for all you bag babes who did not know that already. The Everyday Essential, as you can see, there is that zipper pouch, plenty of room, so much room. You can see here. Now take a look at the pockets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is a 24-ounce Travis. Now let's look at the Zout. We have 7 pockets in all. As you can see, my 24-ounce Travis, it's a tight fit, but this one is similar to a water bottle, so that fits nicely there. 1, 2. Turn it. Yes, the 24-ounce Travis fits on the mesh pockets. The 4th, the 5th, and the middle pocket is actually larger, and the Travis sits nicely in there as well. And then don't forget the other mesh pocket on the outside.
Now that you have a better idea on the differences between these two bags, and you are loving maybe one, both, or some of them, don't forget to get in and shop on my monthly mystery hostess. Every month I have one for you ladies. I always try to reach for 500 so you girls can get the double insider exclusives, or you find yourself wanting that customer special and having a little bit of a $200 or more shopping spree. Get a hold of me. I'll get you a shopping link just for you so you can get all the rewards for yourself, because you can't really decide on which one you love more. So you might as well get this, personalize it, and then get this at 50% off and add a few extras on there, like the fold and file organizer and the zipper pouches and all that fun stuff. So you are trip ready for whatever adventure takes you this upcoming spring, summer. If you are shopping with me, you will get in on March's giveaway, which is a $50 to $75 mystery bundle on me that I will be announcing on the first week of April as my way of saying thank you for shopping with your girl, Rockstar Rochelle. We are in the last final moments of our dollar digital kit. Ladies, if you are Love 31, if you've ever been on the fence about joining 31 and doing what I do, or just simply having fun with the products, or hey, if you're a carrot chaser like me, meaning you like to earn free stuff, we are looking for leaders and consultants alike. However big or small your 31 journey looks like for you, I'm here to support you, and I will be honored if you join me and let me lead you in that way. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the Google Docs down below. That's how we can communicate, or you can Facebook Messenger me, text me, email me. I'm here to go ahead and address all your questions. Again, for only $1, right? $1, you can get all this. Maybe some of this for free. You get this for free. You can get all the discounts, all the incentives, and all that fun stuff that 31 has to offer. If you haven't yet, join me on Saturdays during Bag Babe TV, where every Saturday you go live with me and all the Bag Babes in this awesome community, and we chit chat about all the fun things with 31. Sometimes we play games, and we go over all the things that are be happening for the week. This is also a chance for you girls to ask me questions if you like, or ask each other questions. We are a loving and supporting community, and that's what I love about this channel. And one of the reasons why I keep going is for you girls. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, check out these playlists that I have for you, and get to shopping, because you gotta pick one of them, right? Or not. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, babe. Bye.